Here's my sticker pack in the mail I got from Rain. His name's Rain. He's a pretty cool character. Stands out pretty good. I really like his things. There's bombs and throwies. And like the tags, they're pretty good, I guess. I think he uses a stencil for these ones, because otherwise that would have been a lot of wasted. Yeah, for the fill throwies, I think he used paint, spray paint. This is kind of cool, the stencil character. Okay, that was my packing from Rain. It was huge and fat. Please subscribe to me. Add me as a friend. Alright, peace.